Hi there, this is Jebb Adams. In this video, this short tutorial, today I am just finishing up drying these and then oiling these parts and the other 2 or 3 parts that belong to the throat plate position bracket and its components. So that's where we're at now. I'm going to put my hand on these springs and screws, turn the hairdryer on, and be very careful. And I'm also going to, ooh, that got awfully dirty. I have to use a dirty one now. There. So, let me get a little jiggy with the oil here, especially up at that end where the hole is. There. So that's done. Ring. The only one. So, here we go. Let's get the spring. Get a little jiggy with him, with the oil. Let's check it out, How's that one? Let's get another Q-tip just to be sure. That's clean. That's clean. Yeah, they're good. Oh, they good. So, a little bit of oil, a couple of drops. Couple of drops, couple of drops. There. Now I'll dry those off from the oil. Set them over with their mates. And then give these little very important screws, because without these screws, that whole machine, that whole thing wouldn't work. That cover, that indicator plate has to be able to go on with these screws, and they're brass, they're really soft. So always have an eye when you're putting them in or taking them out. Then take them out of the water. Grab one of my handy dandy shop towels that I always have hanging on the edge of the waste paper basket so that I can, what we got in there, oh, Q-tip. Get rid of that. Came out of the waste paper basket with the, so that's good. Okay, there. Right over there is all the parts. So the next job is to get them together and install them. That'll be the next video. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Ciao.